Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Ford Ranger, stock number 6072. This ran from 06/2018 to the 4th 2022. It has a YNX 2 litre 4 cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 10 speed automatic transmission. This is the YN2S 2 litre 4 cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent and a scratch, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front mirror, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,